All right, all right. Welcome, social media family. Cory Brimmer Sugarman Bar, and I'm gonna try my best. I'm gonna try my best to give you all the information that you requested. Here's what I got going on. So, I made a video. I made a video a couple weeks ago that went viral in the sense of that it went viral for me. It's got over 50,000 views, and I want to thank you guys for watching those videos. Thank you guys for becoming new subscribers. And I made an additional video into that video, and then in that video, I got a lot of questions. You guys were asking me. You wanted to know how to book loads or how to get clients, because I don't want to say loads. You want to know how to get clients. So listen, if this is your first time watching, thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for subscribing. Thank you guys for watching the channel. I'm going to jump right into it because I never really want you guys just waiting on me. All right, so let's just jump right into this. I'm going to share my screen with you so I can just dive right into this. All right, so look, I'm going to try to make this as short as possible. If you have any questions about this at all, please leave them down in the comments. Now, before I start this, I do want to make something very, very clear, because there were a lot of, that video got a lot of comments. Listen, guys, I have trucks, okay? I have cargo vans, I have box trucks, I have pickup trucks. I am not a truck company. Okay, so I do not have my authority. I have a DOT on my license. I'm a corporation. So my business is a mobile entertainment business. We do parties, festivals. You know, we grew our business to a big business. And because of what's happening right now with this pandemic, is my business actually it came to a grinding halt. So as my trucks were just sitting there, I remember back when I look, and I know someone's going to be like, get to the point. I'm trying, man. I'm trying. Somebody's going to say something like, when I first started my business, I didn't have any money. So listen, this video really is to show you how you could take your truck and go out and make money. This is not, I repeat, this is not an accounting video. This is not a legality video. This is not about insurance. This is not about regulations. This is not about crossing state lines. Those are for other videos. This is for you don't have any money, okay? When I started, I didn't have any money. I wasn't thinking about, and in all due respect, I really, really do appreciate that you guys are giving good information. If you have the answers, leave the answers in the comments down below. Really doesn't do anybody any benefit or any good that you come on here and say, oh, well, you don't have any, you don't have commercial insurance. I mean, I do now, but when you're just starting out, you don't have any money. And so the majority, 80 to 90% of the comments that I saw, it was about getting that. So look, let me jump right into this. Let me show you how. And if you got a pen and paper, or if you need to watch this video again, take some notes, man. Take some notes. And then what I'll do is, if this is your first time seeing this video, I'll put a link to the other two videos where I explain how I was able to make $500 a day, $100 a day using your truck. But anyway, let's just jump right into it, okay? Just gonna take a second for my computer to come up. So here's one of the, this is one of the ads that I ran. I made this on Canva. You guys can go right on Canva. That's a picture of my truck. And it's just for light haul junk removal. Now, again, remember, what I saw people doing dumpster videos, and I saw people with dumpsters, and they were charging $200, $300, $400 a day. I was like, look, well, I got this box truck sitting out here, it ain't moving, right now. Guys, ladies and gentlemen, there are people out there that need to have stuff hauled away from demos. So all you do is you back your box truck up, you let them load it up, you take it to your local landfill or dump. Yes, it's going to cost, because again, someone's going to look, guys, I'm actually doing this, right? So someone's going to come on here and tell me how I didn't factor in the gas, I didn't factor in the dump cost. Yes, I do. Because if I'm charging 300, I'm starting at 300, depending on the load. You're not going to be able to, when you're first starting off, you're not going to be able to judge how much you should charge someone. I've been doing this for a while, right? So if I see someone has a huge load, I'm going to charge them $400 to $500. It's not going to cost me that much to take it to the local dump or landfill. And when you get to the landfill, yes, because I can already hear people in the comment section, yes, there's going to be places where you take wood. Yes, there's going to be places where you take carpet. Yes, there's going to be places where you take a stone or whatever. They may break it up. But as you do more, guys, you got to start somewhere. What you can't keep doing though, is you can't keep going down in the comments, talking yourself out of it. Remember, I was flat dead broke. I didn't have any money. So this is something that you can easily do. You can create a flyer, post a flyer on Instagram, Facebook, make a YouTube channel. It's until you can make enough money to get off your feet. We are in the middle of a global pandemic. I'm not saying that I'm trying to tell you, I am by no stretch of the imagination telling you to do anything illegal, but I didn't have any money. My kids needed to eat. I needed to keep a roof over my head, food on the table, gas in the car. I wasn't worried about because I was hauling debris to the dump that somebody was gonna, no, guys, it's debris going to the dump. Like, again, just don't overthink it. These are pictures of my trucks. These are my actual trucks, even though they say Sugar Rim Bar, and even though I'm a mobile event company, I teamed up with some local charities. I've said this before in other videos. I teamed up with other charities. They would pay me to haul and drop off these this fresh produce. So again, just simple, easy ways to get paid. Like I said, I said in another video, and I broke it down, is that if you could charge $2 to $3 a box, because they're getting grants, or or you can find a company that's reselling these for $8 a box. You're bringing it to them. How many boxes can you get? I took these off these pallets. I put them in this truck, and I got about 900, almost 1,000 boxes in my truck. I took them off the pallets and did that. Again, these are photos of me acting silly. I was transporting bread, because in the middle of a pandemic, people just, guys, this is a $1 trillion industry. Things need to get moved. That's me loading up some more food. That's me using my my pickup. I have a big black monster truck. I call it my big black my big black redneck truck. So that's my other truck that I use to haul stuff in. And this was today, and I hope Sierra doesn't mind, but literally today. So here's another thing that people ask me, how do you find clients? Guys, I'm putting it out there. I'm letting people know that I have trucks. This is Sierra. I mean, obviously you can read it. It says, Happy Thanksgiving. I say, good afternoon. She says she's trying to have some things moved from her grandmother's house into a storage area. Unfortunately, the person that had a moving truck broke his hand yesterday. Well, I was wondering if you knew anyone that would be able to help, or if you could help. Absolutely. And I'm asking her, so do you just need a mover or the truck? The truck. Okay, I have several: box truck, cargo van. Guys, I'm not just going to tell her no. I'm not going to tell her no. The guy that she was going to use can't do it anymore. And that is tomorrow. She messaged me today. I'm going to do that tomorrow. And then I didn't give her a price yet. So I'm asking her questions. Where is it, from where to where? Where are we moving this to? Where are we moving it to? Where are we moving it from? You're on the 3rd floor or the 4th floor? These are questions that you want to know, because over the years, when I help friends move, you guys have done it too, and they fed you pizza. Every time a friend moves, they always live on the top floor and the elevator is always broken. Those are questions that I'm asking her, because I need to know how much I need to charge you. Do I need to bring another guy with me? I'm not trying to be out here lifting. So I know I'm diesel, but I'm not trying to be lifting sofas all by myself. I need some help out here. So a good place to start, because I know some of you guys are going to ask me how much to charge, right? That's going to be a question that you're going to ask. A good place to start, and what I like to start at, if you don't have any idea of what to do, or you don't know what you need to be doing, start at $99, $99 an hour. As soon as you pull up, you start, that's when the clock starts. And then when you're done, I'm literally loading, moving, transport, unloading. That's when the clock stops. That's easily a quick $200 to $300. And if you can move couches or mattresses, you can easily rack up a quick $200 to $300 just by doing that. Here, let me take you to, I'm going to go to my YouTube channel, because I want you guys to see this as well. So I want to show you where this came from. Sorry that my thing is lagging a little bit. I think it's because I have the Zoom on at the same time that I'm trying to bring up my internet. So, I got files. Don't know why it's taking so long. All right, so check it out. So I'm going to go on my dashboard. At some point, I'm going to go to my dashboard. And I posed a question. I put up a poll question on here, and you guys, thank you guys for, and as you can see here, I'm at 9,600 subscribers. I'm trying to get to, guys, I am trying to get to 10,000 before the 2021. So if you guys can hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, I'd greatly appreciate it. It helps the channel. So see, like there, you're asking, what do you haul? I'm very motivational. I appreciate that. I'm gonna go back and answer those. But here's where I did that poll at. And I asked you guys, what type of video would you make? And overwhelmingly, it's 43 votes. That's a lot to me, considering I started from nothing. I asked how to book clients with a truck, and overwhelmingly, that's what you guys responded to. Is that what you wanted to hear? So that's what I'm gonna give through you now. I'm gonna give you some quick, easy tips and ways that you can do that. So, so you can get some referral from friends. If you guys are keeping track with this, you can make flyers. You can get referral from friends. You can create flyers. Like I said, I did that on Canva. Then you start going on your social media and you post that and tell that to everybody, man. Just let everybody know. And then be upfront honest with people. Let them know that, look, I am not a moving company. I am your friend hauling with my truck because I lost my job. I got a truck, but I can't put gas in it. Those are the people that I'm talking to. I'm not talking to the people that are already established. I'm not talking to the 18 wheelers. I'm not talking to the people that have dumpster businesses. I'm talking to the people out there that you are struggling. It is hard for you to make ends meet. You have a truck parked outside. You've inboxed me. You called me. You want to know how to do this. Okay, so let me show you. All right, another thing that you can do is you can jump on Craigslist. There was a time back in the day when Craigslist was free. I think that I haven't done Craigslist in a long time, but I think that it's $5 an ad now. Sometimes when you're broke, right, when you don't have any money, $5 is, I mean, I've been there. I'm not gonna act like $5 ain't no money when you don't have it. But guys, you gotta invest in yourself. You know, if you start looking on here, look at all these people that are posting their moving jobs. You don't have to be, you can just put like this guy right here, curb it, junk removal and hauling and garbage. Just haul someone's trash away. You know, they put it out on the curb. You put it on there. His guy doing gutter cleaning. You know, that's another little side hustle, right? You can clean people's gutters. But you can go on Craigslist, make a post for $5. Let's say someone picks it up, and let's say you did it for 75 or 100 bucks. You invested five, but you got back 100 bucks. And again, I can already hear someone saying, "What about the gas?" Guys, I was broke. I didn't, it's not that I didn't care about the gas. If I got 100 in my tank, that helped me get to the next job. And again, like I'm saying, these jobs, when I make these videos, I'm not discounting what you're saying, but I want to speak directly to the people that are out there struggling. This is Grindpreneur Nation. I want to show you how in this gig economy and this hustle economy, you can get out there and you can start making it. Let me show you another thing that I found. This is called Dispatch. The thing about Dispatch is you can do it for your business. So if you need to move packages to and from your business, or you can do it as a driver. Now, there are some, got to have a clean driving record, got to pass a background check. But ladies and gentlemen, in this world that we live in now, there are so many companies and ways and things that you can do to supplement your income. Right. This is, and for those people out there that are always saying, "Oh, you didn't do it the legit way." Here's a legit app that you can sign up for and use your car, use your truck. You can use your, maybe you have an SUV, maybe you got a minivan. You can use that to make moves. They do everything for you, and it's nationwide. It's nationwide. You can even watch this video here that talks about it. Right. And again, that's just one app. What I'll do also is after I'm done with this and I load this up, I'll go back in and I'll add links in the description below to each one of these so you can click on them. I don't get any affiliates. These are not affiliates. These are simply just apps and things that I know that I found and that I've signed up for that you can use. Here is another one. This one is called LoadUp. I spoke with these people. The thing that I liked about LoadUp was I'm not 100% sure, but I'm almost sure that LoadUp, they would allow me to use not only my trucks, but I could also hire drivers as long as I added workers' compensation to my insurance. So I could use my trucks. They didn't care that it said Sugarman Bar on the side. I could hire other guys, add them as working compensation. I would know how much the load paid or the removal paid before I took the job or accepted the job. And then if I didn't add them as additionally insured to my insurance, they get 50%. If I do add them, they get 60%. So anyway, if you're just starting out, they get the jobs for you. So like, you don't even have to get the jobs. They get the jobs for you. So you can go out and they'll send you the jobs. You can see it from your phone. It's just like Uber. You can accept it or don't accept it. And then that's a quick, easy way to pick something up. Another one is you can do Amazon Flex. Amazon Flex is simple. I know you guys are doing that. Amazon Flex. UPS is hiring right now for seasonal drivers. The thing with UPS though is I'm almost certain you got to work 8 to 10 hour days with UPS. So it's not going to be sort of like a gig thing where, you know, it's not like Uber Eats or Grubhub or, you know, DoorDash where you just turn it on, turn it off when you want to. I think they're going to lock you in for 8 to 10 hours. So I've also said on here that Facebook Marketplace, let me show you. Facebook Marketplace is another place where I could, I think she said she found somebody. Facebook Marketplace is another place where, see here, you can, let me move myself out of the way. See this guy here? He's doing moving and hauling for 60 bucks. Guys, he's just moving and hauling for 60 bucks. And it looks like a mini fridge or a cabinet. Looks like a mini fridge. But just like that, if you can pick up 3 or 4 of those a day, what does it cost to run something, to post a picture like this up on Facebook Marketplace? It costs nothing to move someone's couch, to link up with some furniture store, some retail location that doesn't have a moving or hauling service. All I'm saying is there are ways and things that you can do. Too often, what I'm finding though in the comment section is I'm finding a whole bunch of excuses, man. Like, we ain't got time for them excuses, brother. We got to get out here. We got to get this bread. So I wanted to make this quick video for you to show you, to answer to you, because as I'm growing this channel, as you guys can see, we're at 9,600 subscribers. I want you guys to be a part of this. I don't want you to think that I'm sitting over here and I'm just making these YouTube videos and I'm, some expert and I got it all figured out. Guys, I don't. I'm out here doing hustles and struggling just like you guys, man. I'm a regular, ordinary guy. I just happen to, I picked up a microphone, recently. I threw some lights behind me, trying to make better content for you. So, going through it with you, and pretty much everything that I've either put out or said, I've done. And this is not a knock on anybody else, man. I'm not knocking. I've never been that kind of guy. I ain't no hater on nobody else, but I do see a lot of people giving you advice on things that they haven't done. And I just know that I make money every day. And am I rich or whatever? No, but at the end of the day, I cannot blank. There are ways out there where you can make $100. There are ways out there that, that you can make $500 or whatever. Just every day, I just cannot blank. So what I do want to do is I do really want to take a moment before I get off of here. And I really do want to thank you guys, man, because this is incredible, man. I had no idea. If you look right here, in the last month, I've gotten over 2,300 subscribers. I just want to thank you guys, Grapreneur Nation. It really means a lot to me that you guys would actually even subscribe to my channel. If this video was helpful to you, please leave some comments down below. Click the subscribe button, hit the notification bell to let you know when I go live again. I will make more content like this. If I didn't answer everything for you, or if you have answers that can help someone else out, what I want my channel to be is I want my channel to be a resource. I want people to be able to come here and I don't want it to be like anyone else's channel. I don't want to see people just trolling and fighting. I really want, if you do have useful information, if you do have some constructive criticism, I know I don't have all the answers. That's why I'm putting it out there in the universe. That's why I'm willing to sort of fall on the sword of this. And if there's anything I can do to help, or any way that I can, encourage you or motivate you, please let me know. Also, I have a book called Never Give Up. I actually gave away a copy today. I will add a link into the descriptions for my book. The first person that comments or inbox me or lets me know that you're interested in my book, just don't send me the book. I want to know what you plan to do, where you want to go with this, and what is your dream. If you do that, I'll either email me or contact me. I will mail you a free copy of my book. In the back of my book is a dream checklist, but you got to be serious about this. I'll send you the book. What I want you to do is, once you get the book, tag me on Instagram, Facebook, whatever, and then complete the dream checklist. If you complete that dream checklist, I'm not promising you that you're going to be rich or famous or anything like that, but it will change your life, because it's what I did to get up off my feet and change mine. All right, man. Thank you guys for watching these videos. Thank you for sharing. I really do appreciate you guys. I can't say enough. Grapreneur Nation, I will see you guys on the next video.